A kid's colored passenger car is very expensive car. It's a huge blue fast car. While riding down street, colored see a girl on the bicycle. She has long blonde hair and is beautiful. He yelled to her, "What's up?" She is nodding. He yelled, "How's she going?" She keeps going and is nodding. He yells, "Why want to talk to me? I want to go to dinner with you. I take you to an expensive restaurant." The girl gets up the biker and looks at him. She says, "I don't want to go to dinner, but if you give me your car, I will give you a surprise."